Good morning to everyone. How are you? I hope all will be well. Today we are going to start our chapter 6, our shelter part 3rd. Beta, in our previous lecture we have discussed about why do we need a house. Do you know, student, why do we need a house? We need a house because house protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust, wind and insect bite. Yes. Now, after that I told to you there are mainly two types of houses like this kacha house and pakka house. I told to you kacha house found in village and pakka house are found in cities and town. Okay, and now we have discussed about permanent house. Pakka house cannot be moved from one place to another, so we can say that is that type of house, permanent house. So today we will discuss about portable house. What is a portable house? Student, listen. Portable house can be moved from one place to another place. Okay, listen, I told to you again. Yes, some houses can be moved from one place to another, so they are called portable house. Okay, like this tent, houseboat and caravan, these are example of portable house. So first of all we will read about tent house. Yes student, what is tent house? Tent are portable houses. This is also example of a portable house. Tents are portable houses made of cloth. Like this type. बेटा जो टेंट हाउस होता है वो किससे बनता है? क्लोथ से बनता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज सोल्जर एंड कैंपर्स यूज देम वाइल कैंपेनिंग. बेटा जब सोल्जर होते हैं और जो कैंप होते हैं जब वो कैंपेनिंग के लिए जाते हैं तो दैट टाइप ऑफ हाउस का वो यूज करते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज दीज आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड फोल्डिंग हाउस. वी कैन से tent house, folding house also. Okay, and second one is carvin. A carvin is a portable house. एक कार्विन जो भी है बेटा ये भी एक पोर्टेबल हाउस है, पर दैट टाइप ऑफ हाउस ये कैसा हाउस है जो ऑन व्हील, ये व्हील पर होता है ये हाउस. लाइक दिस टाइप जो पहिए होते हैं ना, ये पहिए वाला व्हील वाला हाउस होता है. सो लिसन, यू कैन सी दैट पिक्चर in our book. That is, it is carvin house. Okay, you can see from there. Got it? That is wheel and that is this is your carvins. Okay, next one is beta houseboat. Yes, a houseboat is also a portable house. Next, that floats on water. ये float करता है बेटा like this type. This is houseboat. That ये क्या होता है बेटा? ये float करता है, यानी ये उस पे तैरता है. किस पे? On water पे. Okay, and next one is houseboat are mainly found in Kashmir and Kerala. अगर आप houseboat ये जो mainly जो है ये कहाँ पर मिलता है हमारे को? कश्मीर एंड केरला. और बेटा हाउस बोट हैज ऑल फैसिलिटीज. ये जो हाउस बोट होता है इसके अंदर ऑल फैसिलिटीज होती है लाइक दिस टाइप हाउस, जैसे अपने घर पे होती है. ओके, इफ यू वांट टू सी दैट टाइप ऑफ हाउस यू कैन सी इन कश्मीर लाइक दिस डल झील, डल लेक जो होती है ना, डल लेक होती है ना, आप उसको यहाँ पे फाइंड कर सकते हो. ओके, यस बेटा, टुडे वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट पोर्टेबल हाउस. कीप थिंग्स इन योर mind. Portable house can be moved from one place to another place. Then tent and houseboat, carvin, these are example of portable house. Okay, now we will read about yes beta, now we will read parts of a house. Parts of a house. Yes. First, yes beta, a house has many parts. Okay, house के क्या होते हैं बेटा? many parts होते हैं. A house has many parts. तो first we will read about, listen, it has a roof. Okay, it has a roof on top and that shelter the house, okay, from rain. Yes beta, listen, it has a roof. जो हाउस होती है उसकी क्या होती है? एक रूफ होती है ऑन द टॉप पर. दैट शेल्टर द हाउस फ्रॉम रेन, जो कि हमें किससे बचाती है? वो हमें रेन से बचाती है ना. like this type. Second is it has many room. It has many rooms like bedroom, okay, kitchen, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, etc. Okay. Next one is beta, every room has doors and windows. Door and windows. Windows, okay. To let in fresh air and sunlight. And next, it has, now you can write that type, every room has walls on all sides and floor at the bottom. Okay beta, listen. Parts of a house. Do you know beta? A house has many parts. एक हाउस के काफी सारे पार्ट होते हैं, like this roof, हाँ, room, okay, doors and windows, okay, and every room has wall also. तो first of all listen, it has a roof. Roof होती है on the top में, that shelter the house from the rain, जो हमें रेन से बचाता है, रेन से हमारी शेल्टर करता है. ओके, लिसन. सेकंड, इट हैज मैनी रूम. इसके काफी सारे रूम होते हैं, लाइक दिस बेडरूम, किचन, बाथरूम, ड्राइंग रूम, एक्सरसाइज स्टडी रूम, है ना, लाइक दिस. एंड नेक्स्ट, एवरी रूम हैज डोर और विंडोज होती हैं. वो किस लिए होती हैं? टू लेट इन फ्रेश एयर एंड सनलाइट, ताकि उसमें से फ्रेश एयर और सनलाइट अंदर आ सके. एंड नेक्स्ट बेटा, एवरी रूम हैज वॉल, और हर रूम के पास क्या होती हैं? वॉल होती हैं. वॉल्स में जानते हो ना बेटा, दीवार. ऑल साइड सभी जगह पर, ऑल साइड है ना, चारों तरफ. एंड फ्लोर एट द बॉटम, और बॉटम में क्या होता है? उसका फ्लोर होती है. ओके, नाउ बेटा now today we will discuss about HW. Today is your SW. Answer the following question. Answer the following question. Answer the following question. So your first question is, I told to you in our previous lecture, beta, why is a house important to us? Important to us. Who will tell to me? Yes, speak up. Yes, a house is important to us. House is important to us because, yes, it keeps us safe from, yes, heat, cold, rain, storm, dust, dirt, wild animals and thieves. Okay, first question. And your second question is, your second question, what is a kacha house made of? What is a kacha house? Kacha house made of? Yes. A kacha houses are made of mud, bamboo, wood, clay and straw. Okay, and question number 3 is, what are permanent house? What are permanent houses? Just now I told to you, a house cannot be moved from one place to another. We will say permanent house. Okay, so pakka houses cannot be moved from one place to another, so they are called permanent house. They are called permanent houses. Okay, next question number 3 is, 4. Name 3 portable house. Just now I told to you. Name 3 portable houses. Yes, who will tell to me? Just now I told to you. Yes, tent. Tent. Yes, carven. House boat. Okay, house boat. And question number 5 is, write 2 ways to keep our house clean. Okay, first you can write keep things properly in a place. Answer, keep things properly in a place. Okay, and second is, let in fresh air and sunlight. Okay, yes beta. Yeah, this is your today HW. You are to do question number 1 to 5 in your fair notebook in good handwriting. Thank you and have a nice day.